Welcome to my channel. I'm Logan with EclecticDIY. All the advice I've received from YouTubers on how to start a YouTube channel or just doing research online has been telling me that this is a bad idea, that this channel idea is a pretty bad idea, mainly because there's no niche or niche, however you want to say that. And I understand that. It doesn't really have a niche. And you know, if you're looking at the title of the channel itself, the name is EclecticDIY, which eclectic is basically a random assortment of things. So this is a random assortment of DIY or do-it-yourself videos. But I'm someone who can't really follow their advice just because I won't make that many videos, because I'm someone who is very interested in a wide variety of topics. I like learning new things, so often how I go about learning something is I dive into it 100%, and then I learn, and then something else catches my interest and I dive into that full steam ahead, and then I'll come back to whatever it was that I had dove into prior, and that's just how I work. And so I want to keep that available to me, that option of just diving into something and just going hard on it. I want to keep that available with the YouTube channel as well. So basically what I came down to is that my niche is DIY, and I'm going to stay within that basically as well as I can, but it's not your typical DIY. Most people think of DIY as, working on your house or your car or something like that, but it's more broad, and I'll give you a list kind of what to expect from the channel here in towards the end. So one of the things that I understand with the way I'm starting things is that my potential for subscribers is probably going to be pretty limited. Now, there are channels like mine. The one that is on the top of my head, tip of my tongue, whatever, is King of Random. They, as their name suggests, do a bunch of random videos on a ton of different things. And they've built up a really solid subscriber base. I think they're in the millions. Don't quote me on that, could be wrong. But that's a lot of subscribers, and they make videos on all sorts of different things. So it is possible for what I'm doing to have subscribers, and a large number of them too, but it's also possible that there will be a lot of people like me who I'm not subscribed to King of Random, but I watch their videos, some of them. So I'm interested in certain videos that they have. They've done some, they made black powder, which I'm interested in, pyrotechnics and making fireworks, stuff like that. It's a really cool subject. So they do some of that on their channel, and I watch those, but I don't watch all of their, I'm not interested in all of their videos. So I don't subscribe, because if I subscribe, then I'm getting all of their videos. Every time they post a video, I get, a notification. And so while I watch their videos, I'm not subscribed. So I expect there to be a fairly large percentage of the people that watch my videos won't be subscribed because of that reason. Now, I could be wrong. There might be a lot of people out there like me who are just all into, your random DIY, just whatever catches your interest, you go for it. So, I could be wrong. I'm not expecting it, and I'm kind of one of those people that, expect the worst. If the worst happens, then that's what you expected. If something better happens, then you're really happy because you got better than your expectations. I know that's setting the bar really low, but yeah, whatever. It's fine. So the hope is that each video will have value to someone. It might not be the same person who watched the previous video, so not a subscriber, but hopefully each video has that interest level to somebody in the world. So with that, there might be multiple videos that's someone might be interested in, based on that. The way I operate typically is I jump 100% into a certain type. Like right now I'm in wine making. Just started dabbling in making my own wine, and so that's likely the videos that you're gonna see kind of right away here. So there might be multiple of the same type of video coming out in a row, but once there's enough videos built up, then that shouldn't be as big of a deal, because you can go and look at automotive while I'm doing wine, or you can go look at blacksmithing while I'm on wine, or whatever it is. So that's kind of were my expectations of the channel, what you can expect from it. That being said, here's kind of a list of the things that I can think of off the top of my head. First off, I'm Amazon and eBay reseller, so I buy items from thrift stores, garage sales, and sometimes like retail arbitrage. I'll buy items from Walmart if I can make a profit on Amazon or eBay, and then I sell them on Amazon or eBay. So that's one type of video. And then there's blacksmithing, woodworking, winemaking, automotive, house projects, silversmithing, guns, homeschooling, electricity, pottery, pyrotechnics, etc. So that's not all of them, and I had to write them down because people always ask me, like, oh, what are you doing? Or what are your hobbies? What do you enjoy doing? And I always blank on them, which is really weird, because like that list is a small list of my hobbies, which is kind of crazy. That's a pretty big list. But anyway, so those are the types of things you can expect from the channel, and many more, hopefully. Always got to keep learning, you know. So anyway, thanks for checking out the video, and I hope that there's some videos that you want to watch in the future. Thanks. Have a good one.